What's going on, everyone? Got a 2021 Cadillac XT5. Today we're going to replace the remote batteries. The first thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the key fob. Right on the right side bottom, we have a button right here that we're going to push, and you can push it in, and then you can pull the emergency key right out of the bottom here. Now we're going to take this back cover off. I'm going to use a small flathead screwdriver. I'm going to put it in here, right in here. Hopefully you can see that, where I have it, how I have it. All right, and I'm going to pry upwards, and that's going to pop this back cover right off. All right, so on the back cover is where we have the battery. Use a flathead screwdriver, pop it out. I'll get a new battery, and I'll show you what size battery we are working with today. So the remote uses a battery size CR2032. Notice that it has a positive sign here. That positive sign will be facing down where we can't see it. All right, can't read it no more. It goes down on the remote. Just push it in here, click it in there. If you need one of these batteries, there's going to be a link down in the description box. Grab the two halves, and we're going to stick the top on first, and we just push it together. Okay, and then we can get the emergency key, slide it in. If it goes in, clicks in nice and good, because we have everything put together right, and we are done. Hope the video was helpful, and it was. Appreciate it if you like and subscribe.